Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G100 and let me show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so let's stay here, and now we have to tap on this small button above the shutter to get access to more options about camera we can manage. At the last position we have aspect ratio. We can see that we are on 3 and 4 now, so let's change it to 9 and 16. And as you can see, the background has changed to the longer one, so this is how it works. Another tab here, and we can move also to the full one, so we have full camera frame, full aspect ratio, and of course you can stay here on whatever you need. Now let me move back to 3 and 4 original one. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.